What's good, YouTube? Another day. Alright, so today, you could probably see by the thumbnail, we are putting in the steering wheel. Yes, we are. It is the day. Oh man, I'm so excited. This is what we were waiting on, the NRG hub. So we'll do a little unboxing, see what's in here, and go ahead and do like a slight tutorial on how to do it. It's pretty straightforward on how to take a steering wheel off. I am gonna do my best to not have an airbag light due to the fact that the hub I bought does come with resistors. So if I can figure out how to properly wire the resistor, then we might not have an airbag light. So we'll find out. Let's go. All right, so inside the box, see, it has little shinies on it. Okay. Just throw that over there. Okay, so here's the hub. Oh man. Let's see. Got it all packaged nice. Oh wow. So that's what it looks like when you spend the money and do it right. Always cheapy and buy the cheap ones. It's first time buying NRG on the hub. Like it. Like it. Okay. So we got a little sticker. Okay. And then I guess we have for what vehicles this one works for. Right, so right here on the back, if you actually just do some reading, we have the 177 right there. And it's the 06 to 14 Chevy Corvette C6. That's the one we need. So we do got the right one. Yes, sir. Okay. What else is in here? Got a disclaimer. It's probably to say, you know, this is for off-road use only. Yeah, pretty much. And then let's see. We got a little booklet. Oh wow, just all the different stuff that NRG comes with, different styles. So that's pretty cool, like a little poster. And then we got the right here we got the resistors. So all right, cool. Okay, so basically you're going to be taking an Allen key and you're going to be sticking it in this little hole right here. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. And you're going to be pushing a little tab in there to help get the airbag out. You got to do it on each side and put your finger in there, try to lift it up. So I'm not going to really be able to do that well. I can try. Not sure if I can position this right. So you're going to do the tab. I already popped this one on this side. So I have the airbag sticking out already. And then I have to come from the other side now and see if I can do it with one hand. Let me see. I can feel it. There we go. So with one hand, you guys can see that was done. And then that exposes the airbag right there. So, and then on the airbag, we're just gonna have these little tabs. So you just pop them up. All right. So had to go get a pick. I can pop these. There you go. So that one popped up. There goes one. Got fat fingers. There's two. Okay, so there's the airbag. It's removed. That's simple. All right, next we're going to go ahead and take a 21mm socket and break this nut loose. Gonna have a little bit of force, but let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's loose. So get this bolt off. You want to take it almost all the way off, and then you'll wiggle the wheel until it clicks back. The reason why you do that is that if you remove the bolt completely, then when you wiggle the steering wheel, you're pulling it towards you, and if you do that, you can hit yourself in the face. It'll be quite the YouTube video, I tell you what. There you go. I already got it loose. That simple. So then we're going to go ahead and continue the rest of the way off. Should just get to hand tight. Steering wheel still straight. So That was simple. And then just like that, you just gotta run these wires, pop this clip out. That's for the airbag. I mean the horn. So there's for the horn. So we just there, right there. And then boom. There we go. This stays on the steering wheel. So you can set that aside now. Okay, real quick, I'm just gonna plug back in the battery and then see if my YouTube searching on how to get the airbag light to turn off is correct. Let's see. So engine off, accelerator, take it out of gear, accessory mode. Okay. We shut the door. Fingers crossed, if I start the car, the airbag light won't stay on. There it is. No lights on the dash. Seatbelt light or airbag light. So there it is. Now all I gotta do is figure out if I'm gonna wire up the horn or not. I just don't have any extra wire on me right now, so I might have to save the horn for another time. But my main concern was the airbag light, and we don't have it, so all right. Okay, so now it's on, but definitely there was a design flaw. As you can notice, we don't have the horn because it didn't fit. So we can turn the car on and the airbag light goes off. There it is, it's off. Steering wheel turns nice and easy all the way. So that's good. But like I said, there's a flaw. The apparently the horn is too fat for how thin the hub is, so it just didn't fit. So I had it working, the horn worked, but when I tried to bolt it down, there was too much gap and it wasn't able to close with the bolts it has, and so it wouldn't work. So maybe I'll have to figure something out how to get the horn to work. I'm not really worried about the horn too much. I was mostly just worried about the airbag light. So, but that's it. Get a couple more shots once I clean all this mess up. All right, so like I said, you can just see the little accents, and then boom, a little accent. So looks pretty saucy though, I ain't gonna lie. Probably gonna take her for a spin. She's just been sitting here. Gotta make sure the battery stays charged. Well, let's see if she starts. Ooh, right up. Alright, still have the squeaky belt. Still, package still hasn't came in. Alright, so definitely love the way it feels. Definitely a big upgrade. Makes it feel a lot more sporty, way more comfortable in the hand. Has all the little grips to the back of it, you know, and then with the short shifter, it just really completes the race car feel. Obviously people would want to go bucket seat, but I'm too fat for that, so the stock seats are good enough for me. So, but yeah, debating on what's next to do to the interior. I think I want to do some type of a touchscreen, but then again, my stock radio slaps, so it's like, I don't know if it's even worth changing. So I don't know, we'll see. All right, YouTube, and we're home. Gosh, today was hot. I'm just happy that I'm back in AC. So overall, the install was very simple, went really easy, other than the fact that the horn didn't properly work. But then again, if I just buy a quick release, then I can add the horn to it and then it'll work. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing, is ordering the quick release. So other than that though, install was great. I really enjoy and like the NRG product. So big thumbs up to them. You gotta go buy some stuff from them. And no, I'm not being sponsored by them. But yeah, please drop a like, comment, you know, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. You know, it really helps. Gonna keep doing a lot more content. And like I said, I got a lot more packages coming in the mail, so, you know, try to keep throwing things every other day, dropping videos on how to put things in the cars, and then of course if I get to go to meets and stuff like that. So stay tuned, man.
Y'all are amazing. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.